Hello everybody. Got Mix, the third mini album. I'm using one hand because can't find my camera. So I'm using my iPhone. Sorry about that. Yeah, sorry about my nails. I have to do that. Starting. Leo. Valley. Husband. He's so cute. Oh. Ken's photo card. Struggle of holding the phone. Ooh. What is this? Let's pick it up. Oh. What is this? Closer. Hologram? Hologram. There's your phone right there. So that's cool. Oh, what? Okay. Okay. Well, so yeah, 2 photo cards. So Ken again. And 2 holograms. Oh. Good night, good morning, Ken. You're so handsome. Oh, I good. And then hook, yep, hook, yep, hook. Don't know if I know the thing right now. Leo, you can. I see you, Leo. I see you. I see you. I can. Hooker. And that's all, pretty much. And then CD. Yep. If I can get it out. Oh. Oh, sorry. CD. That's the outside. Put it back. So I got 2 holograms. Is it supposed to be 2? 2 tens, photo cards. Probably gonna be selling one of them. Maybe, still not sure yet. And got these round cards. But yeah. So thank you for watching. Bye.